making a skillet, a Mexican skillet. I just chopped up an onion and 2 peppers. And I'm not going to turn it on yet because I'm still getting other stuff ready. Now I added a little bit of jalapeno, garlic, and salt and pepper. I cut up a bunch of tomatoes. It looks really gross, but now I'm heating this up. Put oil in it. Then I'm going to add those in a few minutes. So I added this because it has salt, chili pepper, cheese, chipotle, and cumin. And that's like a lot of the stuff I needed. And then I added a can of tomatoes. And now we're letting it cook. Okay, so I added 2 different types of beans. It was just supposed to be black beans, but I didn't have 2 cans, so I added these white beans as well. Then let's see, what else did I do? I think that's it. I grated some cheese and some green onion, and then I have avocado for later. And I added 3 eggs to the center, and now I'm going to put the lid on it and let it cook. The scallion over it, over the eggs.